What's going on YouTube? This is Daniel again here with Casing Outdoors. We are in Brunswick Nature Park in Leland, North Carolina. It's a trail system for bikes and walking, hiking. But me and my kids were out here a couple weeks ago and I ran across a lake, a little pond rather than a lake. Ran across it down here. We are gonna walk back here to it. Brought my little spinning rod, all my little beetle spins. We're gonna walk down in here to it and see if we can't catch something today. GoPro, stop recording. All right guys, we are here. This little pond, just ran across a gentleman. As you can see, it's on a power line. It looks like the beavers built it up. But what I'm gonna be throwing first, little white beetle spin. See where the beavers have built them a nice little house out there. So let's just give it a shot. I mean, all these lily pads, it's gonna be tough, but we're gonna try. Let me move on further down. I've only seen a few people fishing out here. I've only been down here 2 or 3 times. But I gotta get away from the house for a little while. I mean, right here there ain't no lily pads at all. But I bet you the fish ain't there. See where the beavers are eating, taking everything. A lot of sign of beaver in here, a ton. Oh, I just had a hit. I'm just trying to get it. Well, that's a good sign. Come on back. Had something nugget at it again. Very slight. Very, very slight. What's up? We have moved. See here on the sign over there, we're at Spring Lake here in Bowling Springs. A little pond. I've caught some fish in here back over there, but I have seen some brim and crappie up in here in the past. So I'm just gonna give it a shot. I just want to catch fish. First fish of the year is all I want. Don't gotta be very big. Just something. Got him. Slimy bastard. It's a jack. Let me go to my truck. If anybody's ever caught one of these, you know that they are slimy and they got some mean teeth on them. I didn't grab my tackle box because earlier today I was hiking and fishing. Now I'm up in here. So but the fish is the fish nonetheless. Go over here and let him go back. Look at the slime on that thing. Ugh. Slimy bastards. Can't stand them. Just as mean as a rattlesnake too. Last year I caught one that was about 2.5 foot. That was fun. Let me leave the rag out just in case.